हाँ तौबा 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 थारा मूड खराब कर दिया.
This is Poco F1 and this phone has a Snapdragon 845 processor, which was a flagship processor 2 years ago from now, and this phone runs PUBG at smooth and extreme settings. But today I ran PUBG on this phone at HDR and extreme frame rates, which is 60 FPS again. And this phone was lagging a lot because of Xiaomi's things to slow this down. And today I'm gonna tell you how you can speed this up and remove all that crap that Xiaomi has added. Without wasting any time, let's get started. So to run it at HDR and extreme settings, I have to basically install GFX tools, and I've set everything to the highest possible. Literally everything is on the highest. So that's gonna put a lot of pressure on the phone, but 845 will handle it like a champ. And now I have rooted my device. I have Magisk installed. I'm just gonna go and open Magisk, and from there I'm gonna go into the module section, and I'm just gonna flash a zip file, namely Chrysalis thermals. So what does this do? This basically changes the thermal values at which your phone should start to throttle. If it was 42 degrees earlier, it will change it to 48 degrees. So you're not like at a risk of blasting your phone, but it definitely will make your phone harder while performance will be at the peak. It will not stop, and I think you know what throttling is. So what MI does is they slow down their older phones, and after the launch of K20 and K20 Pro or Redmi Note 8 Pro, they slowed down Poco F1 to a level where it couldn't play PUBG at 60 FPS. So I'm gonna remove that shitty thing from Poco F1 because it's a legendary phone, and I just did that in front of you after flashing that. So let's have a look how much of a change it makes. And it has one major caveat, and that is it will make your battery drain a little bit faster and make your phone get a little harder. But personally for me, that's not an issue. I want performance to be at its peak. So have a look at the gameplay.
पेड़ पे है ऊपर है ऊपर है
कहाँ पे है ऊर्जा बता भाई, एक किल नहीं मिली मुझे. फ्रेम ड्रॉप हुआ भाई बहुत गंदा.
अरे अरे
हाँ
क्या
कैसे पता चल रहा है तुझे?
Fall back to safe zone. Ahead.
पता नहीं कहाँ है.
Enemies ahead.
रोक ले.
And also I'll be posting a video where you can play PUBG at 60 FPS even if you don't have root access on your device, or your device is too old, like a phone having Snapdragon 625, 636, it doesn't matter. I'll tell you how you can play PUBG at 60 FPS on those devices as well, like this one. So make sure to stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Also like this video. Yes, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.